Welcome to our channel. In this captivating video, we take you on a journey to level up your English skills and uncover the secrets of prepositions for fluency. Get ready to enhance your language abilities, express yourself with precision, and take your English to new heights. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Manette from chrisamericos.com, where we help you to level up and show the world the best version of yourself. Welcome, language enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting adventure planned as we dive into the fascinating realm of English prepositions. Get ready to level up your language skills and uncover the secrets that will bring you closer to fluency. Let's begin. Prepositions can be a challenge for language learners, but fear not. In this video, we'll demystify prepositions, explore their usage in everyday situations, and equip you with the tools you need to express yourself with precision. Get ready to transform your understanding of prepositions and take your English to new heights. Before we dive into the deep end, let's start with the basics. We will uncover what prepositions are, how they function in sentences, and the different prepositions you'll encounter. Prepositions serve as connectors in sentences, joining nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words. Prepositions are typically brief words that are positioned immediately before nouns. Prepositions can occasionally be found in front of gerund verbs. Prepositions include singular words like in, at, on, of, to, by, and with, as well as phrases like in front of, next to, and instead of. Now that we have the foundation, let's explore some common prepositions and how they are used in various contexts. We will provide examples, explanations, and practice exercises to solidify your understanding. Prepositions are frequently used in English. The most commonly used ones are above, across, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, from, in, into, near, into, of, off, on, to, toward, under, upon, with, and within. Let's look at how some of these prepositions can be used in everyday conversations. My child was born at 1:45 in the afternoon. I went on holiday to Paris with my best friend. I enjoy cooking food I can eat with my hands. Prepositions can be tricky, even for advanced learners. In this segment, we'll tackle those challenging prepositions, discuss their exceptions, and provide strategies to overcome common pitfalls. Let's look at 5 tricky prepositions that are often confused. Into, one word, versus into, 2 words. The only way to differentiate between this pair of prepositions in conversation is through context or brief pause. When something is going inside of something, the preposition into refers to motion or direction. For example, she put some fruit into the picnic basket.
I trained as a cancer doctor and oncologist, and I got into it because I wanted to help people feel better.
The conventional definition of in to is in order to. For example, he came in to ask for a favor. Number 2, ask for versus ask to. You need to consider the context in order to distinguish between these two. Use ask for when making a request for anything. Use ask to when asking someone to do something. For example, I asked for some blue and pink paint. He will ask to play paintball for his birthday. Number 3, think of versus think about. When thinking about something, you take your time to consider it and think it through. When thinking of something, you recall it from a memory. You have an idea of something. For example, she thinks of her last competition when watching competitions on TV. He thinks about his favorite holiday destination when planning a trip. Number 4, heard of versus heard about. These two phrasal verbs both denote learning details about something. They are often used interchangeably, but heard of implies that you learned that something simply exists, whereas heard about implies that you learned more specifics and information about something. For example, I heard of the new smartphone that everyone uses. This means that I know about the existence of the new smartphone that everyone is using. I heard about the newest smartphone that everyone is using. This means that I know some facts about this new smartphone. Number 5, among versus between. Use between when referring to two people or things. For example, she is sitting between John and Carol. Use among when referring to more than two people or things. For example, the students are chatting among themselves. To truly level up your English, it is important to understand how prepositions are used in real-life situations. We will take a virtual tour through different scenarios such as travel, job interviews, and social interactions to see prepositions in action. We've reached the final stretch. In this segment, we will share valuable tips and techniques to help you master prepositions. From memory tricks to practice exercises, you will have a toolkit to enhance your skills. Here are 4 quick tips to help you master prepositions. Number 1, do not translate. Number 2, learn in chunks. Number 3, become familiar with prepositions. And number 4, learn prepositions according to their functions. You have taken a significant step towards unlocking the secrets of prepositions for fluency. Remember, practice is key. Keep using prepositions in your daily conversations and writing and watch your fluency soar. If you want to use English to take your career to the next level, then click on the link under this video to join our Level Up training. And if you want speaking practice with native teachers all day, every day, then watch our free 16-minute lesson about how you can understand what I'm saying but still can't speak. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to press like, press subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.